As you can see, round one of dollar store paint booth did not stand the test of time. I was very gentle with it, but the adhesive on it just simply couldn't hold the weight of the second round. It hold itself quite well. I could even say I'm actually ripping this before the adhesive will come off over here. So I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him. But yeah, so this is coming down. Round two, went to a different dollar store and they had the drop cloths. The 9 foot by 12 foot drop cloths. So I got those. I got some packing tape. I got some clips just in case, because why not? $1 each. So I'm in it for 15 bucks right here. $15. We'll see. I'm gonna take my time with this one, do it a little better. Had a problem with my oil. Fix that problem. That's what happens when you leave your oil cap off and then drive like 15-20 miles with your oil cap off all over the city. Alright, got a nice clean slate. Ready to go. I'm gonna see what I can do here. Something tells me I didn't need 10 of these. Number one up. Yeah. Taped it along the edges. Up against the ceiling. I'm gonna go back and do a couple more. It's just kind of tacking it. I'm gonna do one along here. So that's what number one looks like. I have 10. So I'm probably just gonna do and then overlap. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Alright, coming up number two. That's two. Got two on there. Alright, that's three. Got three on there. Looking good, feeling good about it. Doing this is very helpful. Other than the last one, and I figured while I got the tape up, I'd show it to you. See just exactly where I'm gonna go right along the top there. Lining up straight down where I want to be. Yep. That's 5. Got 5 on there. It's got one little piece left here. Just gonna double one over and then tape it up. That should be good enough. I got it taped down pretty good. I'm not trying for perfect, I'm just trying for better than nothing, really. So I got all that nice and tied up, ready to go. I think it looks alright. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be alright. Alright, so one more and then we'll see what's up. There it is. Boom. It's all done. 1, fold it in half. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 4 left. Didn't even use my packing tape or my clamps. Those will come in handy for something else. Threw some old 2x4s along the bottom. Keep them weighted down and pushed it back. Went back around and actually taped the seams here and here. I'm going to use the rest of that roll to go over those seams better again. This guy's taped down too, so I might try and push this back. Probably doubt it. Might have to, but we'll see. But there it is. $6. Plus maybe a half a $3 roll of tape, so $9. Boom. Part 2.